The Court of Appeal has this morning declined to reinstate 8 clauses of the controversial Security Laws Act that had been suspended by the Supreme Court ending hearing of case filed by CORD. The 3-judge bench ruled that the Attorney General, Githu Muigai, had not proved that the suspension of the clauses had created a vacuum in fighting terrorism. The Attorney General had challenged the suspension of the 8 clauses, the Security Laws Amendment Bill Act by High Court Judge George Odunga. Muigai had proposed a stay of orders by Justice Odunga, saying that the ruling would affect the dispensation of justice and that the judge failed to consider the terrorist threats that the country was facing, which the new law was meant to contain. The case was filed by CORD, but the Law Society of Kenya and the civil society organizations were enjoined. Chief Justice Willy Mutunga has already appointed a 5-bench judge led by Justice Isaac Leniola to determine the constitutionality of the security law. Other judges in the bench are Justices Mumbi Ngugi, Hilary Chemitai, Hedwig Ongundi, and Joseph Ongutu.
With the submissions made by Mr. Orengo, in his view, an order of stay of the High Court orders was not. The 7th respondent, amicus curiae, submitted that there was nothing wrong with the practice of going before